MGM Rewards Mobile App quick tour of booking, check-in, and account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you download the MGM Rewards Mobile App, you will start your getaway right away. You will get access to everything right in the app. Unlock your room, get tickets to the hottest shows, book a spa appointment, and more. And it is the easiest and fastest way to make the most out of every trip. And for what are included, more are as listed in the article Mobile Check-in. You can check in from your mobile and fast and head straight to your room with the MGM Rewards app. Another thing, what you can do is digital key from your phone app. You will be able to use that as a digital key. So make sure you download MGM and use your phone as digital key. Another, you can simply book a table from the app as well. And after that, another benefit is you can browse shows and nightlife. Make sure if you want to do it, feel it, or experience it, the MGM Rewards app has you covered. Make reservations, buy ticket, and get discounts from it as well. And there's MGM Rewards, from which you'll get tier status and you can get points, and according to the points you can redeem it as well. And you will also find personalized recommendations in your app. And these are MGM Rewards Mobile App quick tour of booking, check-in, and account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.